Okay. I'm still going crazy. I'm still losing my mind. This mystery plate package, 311. I don't know how many of these I'm filming tonight, but I'm going to film a whole bunch. Look at this. Wall's getting full behind me. It's getting colorful. It's getting amazing. Go over to YouTube. Make sure you're on YouTube. If you're already on YouTube, you're the shit. YouTube is the place to be. That's where my videos are the best, because they're special features, and you never know what else might be there. Go back and watch a whole bunch of old ones. There's some good stuff on there, too. Mystery plate package, 311. Oh, this is so cool. Check this out. You know what that is? An A. Did you know that? Uruguay? Pando. This is Pando 76876. Oh, 867. I'm a little dyslexic. It says Uruguay on the back, so that must be the state or village or whatever of Pando. Let's throw this bad boy on the wall. I think right underneath this Iraqi military looks like a good place, right? What do you guys think? Center it there. Just for people that can't handle stuff not in a straight line. Uruguay. So, yeah, check that one out. We'll find out in the special features what year it is, because it doesn't say. I'm sure we can find a little bit of information, and we'll show you some other cool Uruguay plates. I'm only the crazy license plate guy. This is mystery plate package. 311! I have to keep looking. I forget and forget. So, let's film another one. But first, I'll see you in the special features. Woo! Mystery plate package. Special features. 311. Pando. Uruguay. I couldn't find much on this at all. Alpca's Archives had nothing in Uruguay. I had to scour the internet, Google search it. I found this Pando booster plate and a Pando 72 to 79 base, white on green. Didn't find that cream one anywhere. Pando. If you know what year it is, drop a comment. I know it's Uruguay, but I don't know what year. Couldn't find the info. I found a cool street sign or welcome to Pando sign. Pando! Uruguay. It's the most Pandoist place to be. Found a street view. And a picture on the map of the region of Pando. So you know where it is in Uruguay if you ever go. Are you in Uruguay? Are you watching this video? Have you ever been to Uruguay? Let me know. Drop a comment. I want to know all about it. I want to know about Pando and Uruguay and what year this plate is. And everything else, because I couldn't find any info. So, mystery plate package, 311. Special features isn't very long, because we couldn't find anything about Pando. So, yeah, that's it. Pando, Uruguay, black on cream. Nothing else to report. Have an awesome day, awesome week, awesome year. Go on an adventure, travel the world, go to South America. Tell me about Pando. Let me know what's going on. Find some cool stuff. Get into trouble. Watch all my videos. Do whatever you want. It's your life. Make your own decisions. But hit that subscribe button. Do it. Do it now. Okay, I'm out of here.